Welcome to the Kids Knowledge.
Subscribe now.
Hi friends, welcome to our animal alphabet adventure. Today, we're going to learn about animals from A to Z. Let's get started. A is for alligator. Alligators live in rivers and swamps. They have big teeth and a powerful bite. B is for bear. Bears are strong and love to catch fish. They also like to eat berries and honey. C is for cat. Cats are curious and love to play. They love to chase mice. D is for dog. Dogs are loyal and friendly. They love to play fetch and go for walks. E is for elephant. Elephants are the largest land animals. They use their trunks to drink and pick up food. F is for flamingo. Flamingos are known for their beautiful pink feathers. They can fly long distances to find food and warm places to live. G is for giraffe. Giraffes have long necks that help them reach leaves high up in trees. H is for hippo. Hippos spend most of their time in water to keep cool. I is for iguana. Iguanas are cool lizards. They love to bask in the sun. J is for jaguar. The jaguar is the largest cat that lives in the Americas. They hunt alone at night. K is for kangaroo. Kangaroos have strong legs and love to hop. They carry their babies in pouches. L is for lion. Lions are called the kings of the jungle. They have loud roars and big manes. M is for monkey. Monkeys are playful and love to swing from trees. They eat bananas and other fruits. N is for narwhal. Narwhals are known as the unicorns of the sea. They have long, spiral tusks. O is for owl. Owls are wise birds. They have big eyes and can see in the dark. P is for penguin. Penguins are birds that can't fly, but love to swim. They live in cold places. Q is for quail. Quails are small birds. They have short tails and love to run. R is for rhino. Rhinos are big, strong animals with thick skin. Rhinos love to eat grass and plants. S is for snake. Snakes slither on the ground. Some snakes can be very long. T is for turtle. Turtles are amazing animals. They can live on land, in the water, or both. U. U is for Ulysses butterfly. The Ulysses butterfly is a beautiful insect with bright blue wings. They love flying around in gardens. V. V is for vulture. Vultures are large birds that eat carrion. They help keep the environment clean. W. W is for whale. Whales are the largest animals in the ocean. They sing beautiful songs. X. X is for X-ray fish. X-ray fishes are small fish. You can see their bones through their skin. Y. Y is for yak. Yaks have long hair and live in cold mountains. They are very strong animals. Z. Z is for zebra. Zebras have black and white stripes. They live in Africa and are very fast runners. Thanks for joining our Animal Alphabet adventure. See you next time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.